Hello and welcome to the Setting Up Conversion Goals video. With conversion tracking in place, you'll be able to see quickly and easily which parts of your accounts are working and which aren't. You can then focus more of your budget into the areas that do convert, and that will play a big part in transforming the results you get from your account. Conversion goals allow you to identify down to keyword level where the conversions are coming from. Without them, you are blind and cannot effectively optimize your account. Once you understand the source of the conversions, you can then allocate more budget to a particular campaign. You can increase bids of the performing keywords to get more exposure. You can split out the account to allow the key converting areas to breathe. An example of that might be splitting out some of the highest performing keywords and putting them into their own ad groups and campaigns, rather than being in the same campaign with lots of other keywords which are all taking their share of the daily budget. By splitting them out on their own means you can allocate budget to those keywords specifically. You can then turn down or off the areas that do not convert. There are different types of conversions. There are action conversions such as form completes and opt-ins. Google also provides e-commerce tracking for online stores. You will likely need a web developer to help you with this, as it is quite complex and you will need to refer to Google's detailed instruction. You can also track events. Again, this will require the help of a web developer as it involves some JavaScript. In essence, it allows you to track when a button is clicked or something is viewed for a certain amount of time. There are intent-based conversions, such as people viewing the Contact Us page or the Our Prices page as an example. This gives you a good idea as to how engaged the user has been with your website content and the likelihood of them going on to contact you. These are all on-site conversions, but it is possible to track phone calls as well. Google has a call forwarding service which puts a unique telephone number on your website. You will need to look into this in more detail, as there may be an issue when people try to call back on that same telephone number sometime later. Another provider is called ResponseTap, and they tie up into analytics very nicely as well, although it is a paid-for service. So whilst it's crucial to monitor these on-site conversions, do be aware that some keywords in your account may look as if they don't convert, but they may actually have very good engagement stats. So be sure to look at the average time on site and the pages per session metrics, just to make sure that a keyword you are considering culling isn't actually feeding the keywords getting the conversions. I hope that makes sense. So the most popular goal that is suitable for most websites is the destination goal, which we will set up now in our live example. The destination goal triggers when a visitor reaches a certain destination URL, and that will normally be a thank you page of some description, which couldn't be accessed unless the visitor first completed a form. Okay, so let's go over to the live example. Okay, so we're now in analytics. If you click on the web property that you want to add goals to, then you want to go to admin at the top and then goals. We want to create a new goal. And in this instance, we'll select Contact Us. Then next steps. So this goal might be tracking a particular opt-in or a particular source of traffic. So I might put this in as direct mail opt-in as an example. So if we're sending a piece of direct mail to prospects with a unique URL which takes them through to an opt-in, we can track that thank you page here. So I'm going to name that accordingly. It's a destination URL. Go to next step, as it says down here, you just want to put the page after the /. So ours will be /dm-thank-you.htm. We know when anyone reaches this direct mail thank you page, they have come in via the direct mail opt-in. If these pages were live and active, we would verify the goal, and we would tend to find that there is a certain percentage conversion rate. But it's a brand new goal, brand new page, so as yet that data won't be there. Then create goal. And that's it, your goal is now set up. In the optimizations video, I'll be showing you how to use the goal data to make effective optimizations to your account.